Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematical formulae and their explanation, let us discuss about formula of hyperbolic functions. First, we'll define what is hyperbolic function. Here, sin hx is a sine of hyperbolic. X is ex minus e power minus by 2. Cos hx equal e power x plus e power minus x by 2. From these two definition, we can find other things also. Tan hx equal sin hx divided by cos hx equal e power x minus e power x over e power x plus e power minus x. Cot hx is reciprocal of tan hx. Secant hx is 1 over cos hx, that is 2 over e power x plus e power minus x. Like cosecant hx is inverse reciprocal of sin hx. Next, relationship among hyperbolic functions. Here, the first basic relation of hyperbolic function is cos hx cos h square x minus sin h square x equal 1. This is a basic identity. From this, we can derive different identities in hyperbolic function. Here, x secant h square x plus tan h square x equal to 1. Then cot h square x plus minus cosecant h square x equals to also 1. From these identities, further we can develop sin h2x equal to sin hx cos hx. That is further equal to tan hx over 1 minus tan h squared x. How to get? That means we have to, this is sin a plus b formula. From that we are getting other identities also. Like cos h2x equal cos square x plus sin h squared x. Cos h squared x minus plus sin h squared x. From that we can get these identities also. Remember this is important things. Further, 2 cos h squared x equal cos h2x plus 1. Like this, we can get those identities here. Then sin h3x is by using sin 2x formula plus x, that is sin h2x plus x. By using addition formula, we can get it further. Sin h3x equal 3 sin hx plus 4 sin h cube x. Like that, cos also we can get cos h3x equal 4 cos h cube x minus 3 cos hx. Like term, remember this. Then cos hx plus sin hx equal to e power x, remember this. And cos hx minus sin hx equal e power minus x. And in general, cos hx plus sin hx whole power n is cos hnx plus sin hnx. These are some identities in hyperbolic functions. Functions of negative arguments. Here, sin h of minus x equal sin hx cos h of minus x equal cos hx. Sin of h minus x is minus sin hx. From this, we can get then h of minus x equal minus tan hx. How it comes? Because tan is sin hx over cos hx. Here it is minus, here plus. So generally it's minus. Like reciprocal of sin hx equal cosecant hx of minus x is also minus cosecant hx. Like it, we can derive. Addition formula. Here this basic addition formula, here sin of hx plus or minus y is equal sin hx into cos hy, same plus or minus cos hx into sin hy. Like this another basic things, cos hx, cos hx plus or minus y equal cos hx into cos hy plus or minus sin hx into sin hy. Here plus means here is plus, here minus means here minus, here also for cos plus become plus, minus become minus here also. From these two things we can get it for tan hx plus or minus y equal tan hx plus or minus tan hy over 1 plus or minus tan hx tan hy. Like for cot also we can find it. Next one, addition formula. Then that means addition formulas in this. Further identities, remember here, sin hx plus sin hy equal 2 sin hx plus y by 2 cos of hx minus y by 2. Similarly, sin hx minus sin hy equal here. From these four things, if you remember, we can derive from this further things. Next one, double angle formula. Sin h2a equal to sin ha cos ha. That means this is the double angle formula. Remember this for cos here. Cos is further developed as cos h squared a plus sin is we can write as further cos h squared a minus sin h squared a equal to 1. From this we can get this identity. On tan h2a equal to 2 tan ha over 1 plus tan h squared a. Half angle formula is sin hx by 2 is plus or minus cos hx minus 1 by 2 square root. Like for cos hx by 2 and hx by 2. From this further identities you can get it. Cot hx by 2 is reciprocal of these things and reciprocal here comes. From this we can derive this also. Multiple angle formulas. Sin h3x equal 3 sin hx plus 4 sin h cube x. Like sin h 4x means we can use it sum of sin of h of 3x plus x we can use it, or sin h 2x plus 2x we can get it, and this is the expression for sin h 4x. Like that cos we can find. Also for tan, remember tan h3x equal to 3 tan h3x plus tan h cube x over 1 plus 3 tan h squared x. Like tan 4x, from this expression we can find. Now powers of hyperbolic function. Here sin h squared x equal to cos 2x minus 1 by 2. From the same way, you can find cos h squared x. Then sin h cube x. That is from triple angle formula of sin and cos. We can get it the power sin h cube x cos h cube x 10 power 4 because we have 10 h 4x. From this we can get the things here. Next, this is the for expression for powers of hyperbolic functions. Next is sum, different and product of hyperbolic function. Sin hx plus sin hy equal to sin hx plus y over 2 plus cos hx minus y over 2. And from this, sin hx minus sin hy is here. Now here cos hx plus cos hy here, then cos hx minus cos hy is here. By using this, further we can find the multiple of the angles. How? Here, this is the things here. From by using some interchanging, we can get sin hx into sin hy gives cos hx plus y minus cos hx minus y by 2. By using those things, we can get this product things. Next, graph of hyperbolic functions. Here, sin hx is the graph is like it goes. The range is minus infinity to plus infinity. Here also, then cos hx is the minimum value of cos hx is 1 and the maximum value of range is infinity, is positive infinity. Tan hx, the graph is like here the asymptote is at x equal to y equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. Then cot hx is like, then secant hx is here the maximum values of y is 1 here and cosecant hx is like. Remember this style of the graph. We have done. So far we discussed about some hyperbolic functions identities and formulas and basic identities of hyperbolic function also hidden. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.